What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa and today's video is all about the 7 body parts that women find attractive on guys. And you might be thinking that you know the answer, right? You've been working out those abs for months, trying to get into great shape, you know, the V-line and all that, the obliques, to impress that special person. Well, let me tell you, it's probably not what you think. And if you want to improve yourself, look your best, and become the best person that you can be, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. We have an amazing family here on YouTube and we keep growing. We welcome everyone and anyone, so hit that red button, become part of our family so that you can learn more about fashion, hair, grooming, fitness, and so much more here with us. All right, one of the first things that a girl notices about a guy, his hair. According to research, girls care way more about guys' hair than their abs. That is absolutely insane. That means that you can literally skip the gym to go to the barber shop. How amazing is that? No, I'm just kidding, don't do that. You should be doing both, but at the same time, I mean, they're right. They don't even see your abs until you take your shirt off. What are they gonna see? Your hair. And if you have a really cool hairstyle, it means that you take care of yourself. Right? If you spend a little bit of time, you don't have to go crazy, but a little bit of time doing your hair and making sure that it looks good, that it's not all crazy and wild, girls will notice. So next time you're heading out, make sure that you take a quick look in the mirror, fix it up, and you're good to go. Next on the list, your toenails. I'm just kidding. That would be so weird. Can you imagine if they're like, I love your toenails? Ugh, that's disgusting. I'm just kidding. We're talking about eyes. Eyes, okay? Not just the color of the eyes. There's so much more to it. It's everything here. Your eyebrows, your eyelashes, the white around your eyes. Make sure that it's not too red, not too yellow. Make sure that it's nice and white. You can apply some eye drops before you go out and that helps immediately. If your eyebrows are going all over the place, just, you know, use your fingers to fix it up. Use some tweezers to make sure that there's 2 eyebrows and not just one. And then of course, if there's anything going crazy, just cut it. Get rid of it. Next on the list, that's right, you know it. Girls like arms. If you have nice arms, it shows people that you're strong, it shows people that you probably work out, or you do some type of work that requires that manly strength. So that's attractive. But how do you make sure that people see your arms when you're wearing a t-shirt? Well, today's sponsor, Cuts Clothing, has the answer to that question. This hand lead that I'm wearing is from Cuts Clothing, and you can see how it fits me perfectly. It shows off my arms because of the way that it's cut. No pun intended, but look, the sleeves are shorter, which means I don't have to be rolling out my sleeves to show my triceps or my biceps. The fit on all their clothes is a slim fit from top to bottom, which means it's gonna show off all your hard work from the gym. It just makes your body look better. It enhances it in a way that normal t-shirts don't. Not only that, guys, but the fabric is so nice and soft, all right? It is buttery smooth and soft on your skin. You're not gonna wanna wear a normal t-shirt after this. They have a crew neck, they have a V-neck, they have Henleys. Now they also have their new hoodies, which look incredible and feel amazing. Not only that, but they also have different hems at the bottom. So tall guys can get the elongated hem, and then shorter guys can get the normal hem. One of my favorite things about their clothing is that it's all wrinkle resistant. You literally pull it out of the drawer and you throw it on and there are no wrinkles. It is perfect. You don't have to be ironing. You don't have to use the steamer. It is perfect from the get-go. Which means less time trying to get rid of wrinkles and more time enjoying yourself and looking amazing in your new shirt. Guys, Cuts Clothing has definitely some of the best t-shirts that I've ever tried. I wear them all the time at home, going out. So make sure that you check them out. The link is listed in the description below. These guys are amazing and you're not going to regret this. It just feels so nice and it's going to fit your body perfect. This next one on the list, I just couldn't believe that this was true, all right? I had one ex-girlfriend who talked about this and I was like, nah, I think it's just her. And then I asked other girls and other people and they're like, no, this is a thing. Glutes. Girls love a guy with a booty. I didn't know that. I had no idea. As a guy, my mind was blown. It goes both ways, all right? Guys like girls with a nice booty, and the girls, they feel the same way about guys. So you have to work out your lower body too. You can't skip leg day. You better get on those squats ASAP. And no, that doesn't mean you should be taking photos on Instagram like this, you know what I mean? No, don't do that, but make sure that you're working out. Next on the list, girls just love a nice forearm. Look, if you're wearing a shirt, you roll it up and you show off your forearms, you show off the muscles, some veins, you're tan. Girls will go wild. When I started working out, it was all about the biceps, you know. I didn't even care about the triceps. I was doing it all wrong. But in reality, now I know that the bigger part of your arm comes from your tricep. And then later on, I found out that I still had to work out my forearms. And man, my body just completely changed when I started working out forearms. It does make you look stronger. It makes you look more masculine. Building these muscles, making sure that your forearm is a little bit bigger, more veiny, that is going to be attractive. Girls will love that. And not only that, but it's also the most visible part of your arm. There's so many workouts that you can do for your forearm, starting from the reverse curls right here. You can even do some of these guys. I love working out my forearms. It is one of the best burns that you can get. Honestly, it just feels so freaking good. So make sure that you're checking out some of the fitness videos that I have here on this channel, because they'll make sure that you're growing your body, getting stronger, including your forearm. Next, if you think that anyone is going to kiss your chapped lips, nah. No, not gonna happen. I'm telling you, girls will look at your lips immediately when you're talking to them. You can literally see their eyes go from your eyes to your lips and up. And that's when you know they're making sure that you have nice lips. It's just true. The good thing about that is that there's not much work that you have to do. All you gotta do is make sure that they're not chapped. That is pretty much it. So if your lips are all dry, all chapped, and there's chunks coming out of it, I don't care if you have an 8-pack, all right? They're not gonna kiss you. It's just not a good look. Especially in the drier months of the year, make sure that you're carrying some chapstick, apply it once or twice a day, and that should cover it. Guys, make sure that you check out Cuts Clothing. It's listed in the description below. It is the first link there. You're gonna find amazing clothes that will fit you perfectly, and that, trust me, these feel so nice. I've been wearing Cuts all day long here, especially now during quarantine. I'm home, I wanna be comfortable, and these feel incredible on my skin. So go check them out. Thank you, Cuts Clothing, for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys learned something new from this video, then hit that subscribe button, become part of the YouTube family. We keep growing, and I'm so excited. It makes me so happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Peace.